Act 4 of A Midsummer Night's Dream is the final act of the play, and it brings resolution to the various conflicts and misunderstandings that have occurred in the enchanted forest. The act begins with the preparations for the wedding of Theseus, the Duke of Athens, and Hippolyta, the Queen of the Amazons. Theseus discusses the unusual events that have taken place in the forest and questions the lovers about their experiences. The lovers, Hermia, Lysander, Helena, and Demetrius, recount their adventures and explain the enchantments they encountered. Theseus dismisses their stories as mere fantasies and suggests that they all must have had the same dream. The mechanicals, the group of amateur actors, also gather in the forest to rehearse their play, the most lamentable comedy and most cruel death of Pyramus and Thisbe, which they plan to perform at the wedding festivities. They assign roles, make last-minute preparations, and hope that their play will be well received. As the wedding celebrations approach, the fairies, led by Oberon and Titania, appear to bless the couples and bring harmony. Oberon reveals his presence to the lovers and takes delight in their restored happiness. He explains that the strange events that occurred were the result of his and Puck's mischief and enchantments. Titania and Oberon bless the couple's unions and pledge to protect them from further disturbances. The mechanicals, unaware of the fairies' presence, arrive at the same spot to rehearse their play. They begin their performance, which is intentionally comical and poorly executed. The guests at the wedding, including Theseus and Hippolyta, find great amusement in the mechanicals' ineptitude but enjoy the play nonetheless. During the performance, the fairies secretly intervene to enhance the comedic effect. Puck uses his magic to transform Bottom's head back to its original human form, much to the surprise and confusion of the mechanicals. Bottom, now freed from the enchantment, is overjoyed and continues to play his role with enthusiasm. After the play concludes, the wedding celebrations continue with dance and merriment. The lovers, now united and harmonious, join in the festivities. Theseus and Hippolyta share their joy and love with the others and declare that all the couples shall be married together. The play concludes with a final epilogue delivered by Puck. Puck acknowledges that the events that took place were nothing more than a dream, a product of the imagination. He asks the audience to remember the play as a pleasant vision and to applaud their support. Act 4 of A Midsummer Night's Dream serves as a resolution to the conflicts and misunderstandings of the play. It highlights the themes of love, forgiveness, and the power of imagination. The act showcases the transformative nature of the enchanted forest and emphasizes the importance of harmony and unity in relationships. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.